Afraid of making mistakes in your 20s? In this video, we will be sharing with you 3 money habits we wish we knew in our 20s. My name is Ivy.
And I'm Ying.
And welcome back to the Financial Fitness Channel. Here we go!
Tip number 1. Start with an emergency fund. An emergency fund is useful just in case if you lose your job or if you have any unforeseen expenses. I remember back then when I first graduated and gotten my first job, someone hit my car and ran away. Had I not have an emergency fund, I wouldn't have been able to pay the repair cost, which is 1,000 ringgit that time. So ideally save up to 3 to 6 months of your income for your emergency fund, just in case if such a thing actually happened to you as well.
Tip number 2, saving for the future. Start saving now for future events like wedding plans, baby birth, or even planning to buy a house. We've seen tons of people taking out wedding loans, personal loans, credit card loans for such an event because they do not have enough savings. And as a result, the interest keeps on piling up and they end up with huge debts.
They said I was a valued customer. Now they send me hate mail.
So we highly advise that you do a regular saving, at least 25% of your monthly income, and separate it to 2 goals, one short-term goal and one long-term goal. Short-term goals are usually for things to come within the 5 to 10 years, whereas long-term goals are for things that is more than 20 years, like retirement.
Tip number 3. Building a good loan repayment habit. Paying your loan on time is important to build up a good credit score. A good credit score will be a big factor later when you want to take up a loan or a mortgage. Beware of credit card debts, as overdue credit card payments will also affect your credit score.
I know all this may be a little bit overwhelming at the beginning. We too had our struggles with minimum wages and also saving at the same time.
So there will be certain months that you may not be able to save, but don't worry, practice makes perfect. Because most importantly, what we hope you take away from this video today is to develop a good saving habit. And habit is not something you can master overnight.
So true. Now I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do give us a big thumbs up. And if you like to see more of these financial tips and advice, do feel free by following us by clicking the subscribe button down below, and we will see you next time. Bye!